Okay, super quick video. I could probably do it in one breath. Let's try. Okay, so what we're talking about here is swapping values. So if we have a list with two items, James and Michelle, we can swap the values around by using this comma syntax. So names 0, comma names 1, we're going to change them to be names 1, comma names 0. So whatever's in names 0, we're going to put names 1 there. Whatever's in names 1, we're going to put names 0 there. And the effect is swapping them, and we get Michelle, comma James. And that's pretty much it to swapping values. So when do you need to swap? Oh, I'm losing my breath. Oh, okay, I couldn't do it. When do you need to swap? When you're shuffling things. So if you had, imagine a list of, a list of cards, which you could model with strings. We could have like 8C would be 8 of clubs, 8D would be 8 of diamonds. Eventually we'll talk about objects and classes, but you could shuffle a list full of cards. Sorting is another really important example. If we're trying to sort a list in place, define our own custom sort, and we have a list of people or numbers or whatever it is, and we're trying to do it in place, meaning that we're not making a new list, well, then we just need to swap things because that's pretty much all we can do because we're not making a new list. We need to move things around. If we try and move one thing, we have to move something else, so we need to swap. And just a lot of algorithms in general that we'll be discussing later on. So swapping is just a little shortcut that we get where you use the comma inside of a variable assignment.